Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. Yeah, so I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so a lot of people are using the arbitrage scanner to make more money. Yeah, this is for people who are interested in doing exchange to exchange. If you want to trade on your own, this bot is really there for you. Yeah, but one of my students drew my attention on something, and I'm here to address it. Only if you have the bot. Yeah, if you don't have the bot is $40, and I will show you how to use it as well. Yeah, and how to buy the coin and how to sell the coin as well, because people don't know how to buy a coin and how to sell it in order to make profit. So I'll show you that one as well. Yeah. So, and if you want my mentorship too, you can chat me. I have my WhatsApp number, yeah, on my TikTok and in the description as well. Yeah, you can chat me and we'll go through together. Yeah. So he told me that he was trading a certain coin and made profits, and after that he tried to trade another coin and he made losses. And I'm here to address that thing. Yeah, you see, if you get one coin over here and you trade that coin and you're making profit, and still there's opportunity, keep on trading that coin. Yeah, some of the coins, let's say let's say Manta USDT, right? It says buy on break one and sell it on what? Bitmat. It changed. Okay, so let me deal with this one. The Moodink. The Moodink. It says what? KuCoin and HTX, right? Yeah. So you can see that the fire is what? 2.35%, 2.37%, right? Yeah. That's the spread. But the actual spread, when you deduct the fee from 8, is what? 2.12. Forgive me, because like the signal keep on changing after every 30 seconds. But I want to show you something. So always when you want to trade a coin, so let me go down. So the person was trading a coin like this one, FET, right? So the spread was 0.5, which is okay. But when you deduct the fees and everything from it, the actual estimate is what? Around 0.3. That's the actual the estimate, the final spread estimate after deducting every fee from it. That's this one. You see that thing? Yeah. So 0.3 is not cool to trade that coin. You see that thing? Yeah. So if you always depend on the first percentage, the spread, you will get it wrong. You can see this spread, this Manta USD, after everything is 0.92% as the estimate, right? And it's very good. It's that thing, and it's very good. That is why you can say that it's fire, it's on fire. You see that thing? Yeah. So you have to know these things. Though I didn't like show some of the users who bought the bot from me. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this video, in case you have the bot and you're finding difficult in this thing. You see that thing? Yeah. So when you get opportunities like this, you know that when this one is for exchange to exchange. That means you are buying the crypto at a lower price on one exchange, and you'll be selling it at a higher price on what? On the other exchange, right? Yeah, and I've already tell you that you have to trade pairs or coins from 0.5 upwards spread, right? Yeah, 0.5 upwards spread. Yeah. So when you get some, you trade, you make your profit. And after selling after selling that your particular coin and getting your money in USDT, when you're transferring the money to the other exchange to do the trade again, you know that you don't have to choose TRC20, BP20, or ERC20. We have particular address that you have to use, and if you have the votes, I've already told you about that. So that then, yeah. So these are some of the things that you have to put in consideration before you initiate a trade, or you will not be seeing that big profit that I've been showing you. Is that then? Yeah. So this is the scanner, best crypto arbitrage scanner in 2026, and you already know it. And people who are using this to do their exchange to exchange can testify to it. Yeah. And people were saying that why don't they should have come to my videos to testify and stuff. No, bro, we have groups and they chat me and they always tell me, and I'm okay with that. Yeah, and I'm okay with that. So those who are using the boats, they know that it's very cool. Yeah. So so this, you can see that the boat gives you signal. So the major coins is what, 39, meme coin is 12. So if I scroll down, you can see that all these are signals. All these are signals, and it gives you the market volume. You can do your calculation, enter the amount you want to trade with it, and it will calculate and give you the actual profit that you'll be getting. You see that thing? Yeah. So if I want to trade this coin, and I said I want to trade with $1,000, it's calculate and tell you that after everything, I'll be making $9.7627 as profit. After all the fees, the trading fee, the withdrawal fee and stuff, I'll be getting what? Right now, I'll be getting 10.26. You see, so to calculate everything for you, just enter the amount you want to trade with it, and to calculate everything for you. Yeah, and you can see that it's very high, right? It's very high. The tradable is what's very high because the 24 hours volume is around $10 million. Is that then? Yeah. So the bots solve all your problem for you. It's You just input the amount you have to trade with it, and it will do all the math for you. And you go to the field, you consider some 4 things. After that, you are good to go. So that then, yeah. So this how the scanner works. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.